Hi everyone, this is your boss Mom V, and I create videos about work from home tips, freelancing lifestyle, and make money online tips. So, if you're interested with this topic, just keep on watching. Hey everyone, now we're back with another video, and for today's topic, we're going to talk about how to make money as a freelance virtual assistant. If you want to learn more about how to start working from home and how to become a virtual assistant, I already have a video about it. So, hanapin mo lang yung video ko dito sa ating channel or yung link ng video is nasa description box below. So, if napanood mo na yon, then meron ka ng basic understanding about freelancing or about virtual assistant. Then, we will proceed with this one. So, paano ka nga ba kikita kahit nasa bahay ka lang, meron kang laptop or computer kahit second hand man yan, and kikita ka ng working lang for about 2 to 3 hours a day, for 4 hours, 5 hours. So, it's up to you, no, kung gaano mo kayang i-manage yung time mo as a freelance virtual assistant. And I will teach you my basic practices na makatutulong sa'yo, no, kung paano ka nga ba makakapag-strategize para kumita ka ng pera with working less but also having a decent income out of it as a freelance virtual assistant. So if you're ready, then I'm ready, then let's dive in. So you're finally decided that you want to become a freelancer or a freelance virtual assistant. Ano mga ba yung mga steps that you need to do for you to be successful in this industry or para kumita ka sa ganitong klase ng career? Step 1 for me is that you really need to understand virtual assistants and freelancing. Kailangan mo munang mag-research. Ano nga ba yung virtual assistant na tinatawag? And ano ba yung freelancing? Ano ba tong industry na to? Ito ba yung parang empleyado ka, nasasahuran ka? Stable ba to? Do you also get benefits like a regular employee? So you need to really have a basic understanding because yung iba akala nila typical work kasi yung pagiging isang VA or freelancer. Well, it's far from that. As a freelancer kasi, you are self-employed. So, hindi ka empleyado ng isang client or hindi ka rin empleyado ng isang agency o company. Freelancer ka, you can offer services to clients in exchange for profit. So, technically, you are managing your own business, no, as a freelancer. And you are selling your services to clients. And then, with that services, babayaran ka nila. So, dun ka kumikita. Kaya nga, pag freelancer ka, pwede kang mag-multiple projects or multiple clients. Pwede kang mag-2 clients, 3 clients, 4 clients. So, depende sa'yo kung gaano karaming clients ang gusto mo. At lahat ng clients na yon is i-charge mo sila ng rates din na gusto mo. So, if you have the basic understanding about virtual assistant and freelancing, yan yung first step that you need to do for you to fully understand this industry na pinapasok. And kapag nalaman mo na yung task mo as a freelancer, and then dun mo maunawaan na kaya pala yung mga freelancers is that kaya nilang mag-multiple clients because hindi naman sila technically employed sa isang company. Rather, they are selling services. Kumbaga, nagbebenta ka sa Lazada or Shopee ng items, pero pag freelancer ka, you are selling your services to clients. So, kaya nga pwede kang mag-sell ng services to clients mo ng mga part-time hours lang. Like 1 hour lang dito sa client na to, 2 hours dito sa isang client, then sa client number 3, 3 hours naman. Yung gugugulin mo or ipuconsume mong time to do the task. Okay. So, yan. Ang step 1 is basic understanding of virtual assistants and freelancing. And kapag meron ka ng basic understanding of that, you will proceed to step number 2. Okay, once na may full understanding ka na about freelancing and pagiging isang virtual assistant, nakapag-research ka na rin yung mga preparations na gagawin mo, like how to apply for clients, how to do VA interviews, ano pa ba, lahat mga tools na gagamitin mo, of course, na-research mo na rin yan, kagaya ng ginawa ko before is that nag-research muna kung ano yung VA, ano yung freelancing, and then ano yung mga dapat kong i-prepare. Like kapag during interview na, ano yung mga basic na tatanungin nila, dapat handa ka doon. And yung mga tools, kailangan, of course, meron kang working computer, meron kang camera, meron kang yung mga basic tools na gagamitin mo sa isang online interview, of course. So, hindi natin tuturo yan dahil meron na yan sa ating other videos na how to start working from home. Nandito na tayo ngayon nakafocus sa step number 2, which is finding clients. So, saan ka nga ba makakakuha ng direct clients kapag newbie ka? So, dito lang ako nag-focus sa dalawang platform na to. Before, 5 years ago, I've been a VA for 5 years now. Nag-focus ako mag-apply o kumuha mga direct clients as a freelance virtual assistant sa onlinejobs.ph at saka sa fiverr.com. Until now, yung mga clients ko from 5 years ago, 3 years ago, is sila pa rin yung clients ko. So, long-term na clients ko sila. Ngayon, so sa fiverr.com, which is meron na rin tayong video niyan, and sa onlinejobs.ph, kung hindi nyo pa alam yon, just Google mo lang yung onlinejobs.ph kaya yung fiverr.com and then mag-sign up ka lang dun sa mga platform niya. Free lang naman mag-sign up, wala kang babayaran to sign up. And then you will just start hunting for clients there. So ako, during that time, of course, pag newbie ka, wala ka pa namang talagang any idea kung anong VA ba ako. So, nag-base lang ako dun sa aking experience because I was a BPO employee before. And so, meron akong alam sa admin support and saka sa customer support. So, ang mga hinahunting kong clients is yung mga admin naghahanap ng VA to do admin tasks for them and also customer support via email chat. Luckily, I have this one client from Canada na naghahanap lang ng VA to assist him with his emails. So, nagre-reply lang ako sa emails niya. And also, I do sending of emails for his client. So, basic things lang. And because of that, nagkaroon ako ng client number 2 na nahanap ko rin sa fiverr.com. And ito namang si client number 2 na to is naghahanap siya ng isang VA to do customer support email. So, mag-answer ka lang, magre-reply ka lang doon sa mga emails ng customers niya doon sa kanyang Shopify or e-commerce business. So, because of that, nagsunod-sunod na, nagustuhan ko yung Shopify, doon ko rin talaga naunawaan yung Shopify at doon na rin ako natuto ng mga other tasks na ginagawa ng isang Shopify na not just merely answering customer support emails, but also order processing, like issue refunds, edit orders, changing customers' details, updating the Shopify website, yung product description, product research as well. Sa experience ko na lang din siya natutunan because of that client. And also, supplier management, pag-coordinate ka sa kanyang supplier because he's into dropshipping. And because of that, yun na yung niche na gusto ko kasi madali lang siya and marami pa at flexible pa yung schedule na pwede ako maka-offer sa mga multiple clients na mag-answer lang ako or magmamanage lang ako ng Shopify nila for 2 hours, 3 hours, 1 hour. So, nakakuha ako ng maximum of 5 clients during that time. But currently, I have 3 clients. And I'm working for them for about 1 to 2 hours per day. Siguro pinakamatagal na yung 3 hours, but mostly 2 hours lang yung ginugugol ko each client. So, yeah, just focus on platforms na wag lahat, no? Like, 10 platforms ka, mapafrustrate ka rin kakahanap eh. So, basically, mag-focus ka lang dun sa mga platforms na at least 2 or 3 and then send applications, mga 5 to 10 applications per day. So, consistency is the key para magkaroon ka ng iyong first ever client. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking isang nakuhang client sa fiverr.com. So, madalas kong sabihin na sa Fiverr talaga ako nakakakuha ng client as a virtual assistant. So, this one is yung typical na chat namin. Na-hire lang ako ng client na to through chat dito sa Fiverr. So, hindi kami nag-call, hindi ako interview via call chat lang, and then that's it. So, ganun lang kabilis pag freelancer ka or freelance virtual assistant ka pag dito sa Fiverr na platform. Kasi dito, hindi talaga ako literally nag-apply. Magagawa ka lang ng gig dito, no? Ipopost mo sa Fiverr Marketplace na you are a Shopify VA or you're a virtual assistant and this is your this is your rate. And then, kapag nakita nila yung Fiverr gig na yon is i-approach ka nila via chat like this. So, here makikita nyo na dito nagtanong siya, "Hi there, are you familiar with Reamaze?" Yung Reamaze is CRM siya, no, na ginagamit na sa Shopify, no. for answering email. So, sinabi ko na unfamiliar with it kasi ito yung ginagamit din ng other client ko. So, yan. So, dito, sabi niya, okay, sounds good. Do you have capacity? How many hours a day are you free? So, yeah, pwede mo sabihin sa client na during that time, I'm available up to 6 hours. So, I offered him 1 to 6 hours a day. So, ayan, nagtanong din siya ng rate. So, I told him $5 per hour for email customer support or with calls. Tinatanong ko lagi kung with calls ba, kasi pag with calls, hindi ako nag-accept ng with calls. Non-voice yung tinatarget ko because I don't like taking calls. Emails lang or chats ang gusto ko. So, sabi niya, re-amaze lang. So, walang calls yon. Ang sa re-amaze is walang calls. Email lang and messages. And it's really important that you ask questions to your client, hindi yung puro oo ka lang. So, in my case kasi, my priority is that part-time lang yung gusto ko, like 1 to 4 hours a day, and gusto ko as much as possible, flexible. Yung flexible is that any time of the day, pwede kang mag-work. So, wala silang typically oras na kailangan ganito ka mag-work para sa kanila. So, sabi niya, flexible. And are you also available on weekends? So, 1 to 3 hours per day lang. So, perfect. Dahil gusto ko talaga na 1 to 3 hours lang per day, then flexible. And weekends, wala naman akong ginagawa. So, ko na rin. So, yan. Sabi niya, that sounds good. I will speak with my team and come back for you in a few days. Thank you. So, yan. So, binigyan niya na ako dito ng etong link sa Slack. Yung Slack is isang communication tool na pwede kami doon mag-usap, i-add niya. Kumbaga para siyang Skype, para siyang communication tool siya. So, klinik ko lang yan and from there, doon na kami nag-usap. And hindi kami nag-usap via call or via video call. So, talagang literally chat lang din kami. So, until now, di ko pa nakikita tong client na to ng face-to-face sa video. So, chat lang talaga kami. And 1 year na ako nag-work sa kanya. So, as you can see, ang kagandahan sa mga freelancer or freelance virtual assistant is that yung kanilang parang hiring process is that hindi talaga siya yung formal. Like, pag sa company ka mag-a-apply na mga may work from home setup na kailangan formal, na kailangan naka-video call. Ito hindi. Sa chat lang. So, madalas, ang mga nakukuha kong clients sa chat lang ako nakahire. And then, that's it. Pag nagustuhan nila yung rates mo, i-charge mo. So, hindi ko sinasabing mag-charge ka rin sa kanila ng $5 per hour. So, depende sa'yo. From that, starting salary or starting na rate ko sa kanila is hindi na yan yung rate ko ngayon. Mas tumaas na and nasa fixed rate na kanila yon. So, meaning hindi na ako nag-charge sa kanila per hour but on a fixed rate na. So, pwedeng weekly, ganito yung payment, or monthly, or bi-weekly. So, it really depends on you, yung kaganda ng freelancing. So, that's why gusto ko yung freelancing, no? Because, yung ganito nga, pwede kang makakuha ng client via chat lang. So, you don't need to do formal video calls, no? In my case, ganon. So, meron din namang mga clients na gusto talaga video call. So, dapat be prepared. So, I'm just showing you some insights na hindi naman din ganon kahirap maghanap ng client. But this one kasi is my experience na kaya mabilis na lang yung usapan. But for a newbie, of course, kailangan is nagkalingan mo rin sa mga chat interview and mga interviews para ma-hire ka ng client. So, the next step is once na na-hire ka na ng client doon sa platform na yon na ginamit mo, pwede rin sa Facebook kayo makahanap ng client or Instagram or LinkedIn. So, depende sa platform na gamit nyo. So, depende yan sa client kung gusto niya sa directly kayo mag-transaction or doon sa inside the platform. So, for this case, yung sa kanina is that outside kami nagkaroon ng transaction, meaning hindi sa loob ng Fiverr but direct transactions kami, yun yung usapan namin. So, sa client onboarding, of course, kailangan may basic negotiation kayo ng client kung ano yung setup nyo. Like yung sa schedule nga, napag-usapan namin dun sa chat. Kailangan nyo pag-usapan yung schedules, yung payment method, tsaka yung payment. So, magkano mo gustong i-charge si client? Pwede mong sabihin si client na, I will charge you weekly. Is it okay to charge you weekly or bi-weekly or monthly? So, depende sa'yo. And also, yung rate is, magne-negotiate kayo sa rate, but basically, ikaw yung unang mag-offer ng rate na gusto mo. Pwedeng fixed rate or hourly rate. So, for that case, we did hourly rate, but now, until now, client ko pa rin siya, we do a fixed rate na. No? So, meaning, hindi na ako binabayaran per hour, but a fixed rate sa isang bi-weekly. So, twice a month kami sa payment. And sa payment method naman, ito yung paano kanya babayaran. So, kailangan din sa usapan nyo kung paano ka babayaran. Pwedeng direct ba dun sa bank mo through Wise, pwedeng PayPal. So, anything na payment method na dapat magkakasundo kayo kasi pwedeng may payment method ka dito na available sa Philippines pero hindi available sa country niya. So, kailangan nyo pag-usapan. For our case, through PayPal niya ako binabayaran. And minsan, kapag wala siyang PayPal or naglolo ko yung PayPal is that binabayaran niya ako directly sa bank account ko through Wise, yung Wise na payment method. So, na-discuss ko na din yan sa other videos natin. Hanap niyo lang siya dito sa ating channel, yung payment methods. And then, contracts, for me, optional yung contract, pero yung ibang mga client, they would require a contract for security na rin on both sides. But in my case, most of my clients, I don't do contracts. But I do advance payment. No? So, I want them to do advance payment for security na rin. No? So, depende sa'yo kung gusto mo advance payment, kung gusto mo may contract, kung gusto mo wala. Kung verbally may tiwala kayo sa isa't isa. Kung verbally naman at wala kayong contract, I would suggest is that gawin mong weekly yung payment, and then advance payment. Meaning, babayaran ka muna, then bago ka mag-work. So, hindi dahil sa, it's a must for me na ganon. Kasi marami ring mga scammers na client ngayon and yung nagpapanggap, tapos magpapagawa lang ng task sa'yo, then iiwan ka na, hindi ka nababayaran. So, for your security purposes, it's either mag-contract ka or magpa-advance payment ka sa client. So, yun yung step 3. Ito na yung client onboarding, yung napag-usapan nyo na yung schedules, payment methods, and yung payments. And also, if you do have a contract, that is optional and it's up to you. Yung kaganda ng freelancers is that hindi ka talaga binded by the law kasi basically you're just selling your services to clients and then babayaran ka na lang nila sa services na yun. Hindi ka talaga employed. So, if employed kasi ikaw sa isang company, of course, lahat yan may contract, mayroong mga stipulations, of course, you also get benefits from them. But as a freelancer, you don't get that benefits, no? From a typical employee. Kasi nagbebenta ka lang naman ng services ng clients and babayaran ka nila of that services. That's it for today's video. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating bagong video for today. And I'm inviting everyone, yung mga aspiring VA dyan, yung mga VA moms, work from home moms, and freelancer moms. Meron tayong Facebook group na create. It's called VA Moms PH. I-search mo lang yung VA Moms PH sa Facebook and mag-join ka sa ating group. So, see you there!
Your friend, you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never say